Do you need help staying cool this summer? My name is Kate with WTI, and that is always a struggle for me because I work outside in super hot weather. So I'm always looking for something to help me stay cool, which is why I love these cooling towels by YQXCC. They're a great size, so you're able to wear them multiple ways, whether you want to cover your entire head or just your forehead. And they're machine washable, so it's really easy to keep these nice and clean. They even come in reusable packages that have a little carabiner so you can take them with you on the go. They're a super soft and breathable microfiber that I think is real comfy and perfect for keeping you nice and cool and comfortable. A little secret I like to do on super hot days is pop these in the freezer to help them stay nice and chilly. But all you really need to do is just get them damp, go ahead and wring it out, and then you're good to go to wear it around your neck or wherever else you need to help you stay nice and cool. And that's my point of view.